know we're perfect, you and I. And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't giving up without a fight. What I feel, I know it's right. Let us detonate tonight. Let us detonate tonight. Let us detonate tonight.
Any information will be given by Frederick and Mimin in the rest. Okay, thank you, Martin.
Okay, Frederick, thank you. Frederick, over to you. Let's hear from you too.
Okay, now, yep, the question this actually asked, mostly was answered by Anton, because of the unique technology that SPY is bringing to the world, and just kind of bridging somehow fiat and DeFi gateway. So somehow, this is kind of unique, and what we have done actually, has been going from a kind of real outdoor technology into a DeFi world. So we have actually started our own company like 6 years ago, and we have just developed the company and finally have entered DeFi like after 6 years of practicing e-commerce and this kind of thing on simulated blockchain out there. So we started our own DeFi project called Smarty Pay. So that concerns the first question that you asked. You can just go for the next one.
Awesome. Wonderful introduction from you guys. You guys are definitely doing well. That's cool. So now let's talk about your tokenomics. Please tell us everything that we should know about it.
Sure. Can you just screen share the tokenomics? While I'm just giving a briefing to talk about it. So about our tokenomics, and if you visit our website, and I think Mimi is going to screen share that. We have had like 5% for pre-sale and 5% for charity. We dedicated them to the orphan children in Indonesia, and 5% for stable asset. Then for the development and infrastructure, we have dedicated 30%. Then for mining and staking, 10%, and 10% for marketing. And the good thing is, like 35% remaining has already been burnt. So that's what we have done with these 100 million total supply that we have had so far. And main is just sharing the screen right there. You can just see.
Okay. Who else has something to say before we proceed?
Okay.
Is my screen share? Can you see my screen share?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, please continue.
Okay, I want to add something about the explanation by Frederick. This is our taxonomy. Taxonomy is contains a preserve 5%, charity 5%, stable 5%, development and infrastructure about 30%, mining staking 10%, marketing 10%, and bonds 35%. On our condition now, the bond is almost 34% is already bond by us. and the development and the marketing will be at about 50% to the mining and staking, because the mining and staking is attractive more user, and many users come in now and join our DeFi, and so I decided to move some development and marketing on the mining and staking tokenomics. So after that, we will bridging to Ethereum chains, and we will be going to the LeafNet to blockchain mainnet, and this so much steps us to give you more comfortable, enjoy, and profitable projects to you, to our holders like DeFi. Our DeFi is DeFi 3.0 now with governance protocol DAO system. And after this, our bridging in the Ethereum chain, I will move and I will upgrade our DeFi to 4.0. So much new feature like DTP, like launchpad, lending, and so much more unique feature will come out, and will give the most interesting thing to our holders. I think like that, Martin.
All right. Thank you for such a detailed explanation. Uh, I don't know. Okay, it seems Min Min is no longer here, probably maybe due to network challenges. Shall we continue?
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Well, so now let's talk about the development status. What are some of the things that Smarty Pay has achieved so far, and also give us some operational data pertaining to your roadmap.
Sure. So far, we have developed different features, usual features that um, most of the project, the solid project have. Like we have features like NFT cards, also NFT marketplace. Together with that, we have pools, farming pools. You can just make LP tokens paired with BUSD, uh, BNB, and USDC, just for staking. And this is so far, what we have achieved so far, as the features, if you call it the features. But what we are currently working on is our launchpad. We are just creating a very unique launchpad, and our next move actually, would be launching our next utility token called Tochi for our next part of our ecosystem called is a kind of gaming ecosystem. So so far, it has been what we have been working on. But actually, for the future, we have a lot of features to um, actually, unveil, for the um, users. So I think Johnson can give a little more explanation about the features which are going to be developed in near future.
You make me to open my secret, but Okay,
That
Yes,
always
open it. We
happens.
want to know.
okay. So in this month, I'm doing to some recruiting to our developers. Next week, we will welcoming to the new developers from China and from Japan. They will be measuring, doing the job to create the spy launchpad. Spy launchpad is already created by us. Is Mimin, can you uh, get some videos about our spy launchpad so everyone can see that? Uh, Spy launchpad, I have the standardized about the like the ping cell or Uniscript standards, so the secure, the safety, and the most feature will coming in our spy launchpad. And I have add some unique feature, like I will lock some GPS, but who is the developer wants to do the pre-sale or our on our launchpad, we will lock the GPS, and they must give some video information in their YouTube, and they can get the link to our launchpad, and they can promote their token. They can talk everything about their token, their promotion, their project, who they are, and
I think I will give you this video so you can,
we are very, so we are very strict about the secure, safety, and comfortable. So we want to doing this thing more safety again, and to get the developers who come to our preset to get more serious and get don't doing the scamming thing, scammer thing in our depths, our launchpad. You must doing the great job to promote your token, so your preset can success. That's because crypto, you're talking about the trust. That we if you give you more good looks and good project, so people can trust about you. Okay, there's something about our launchpad. Spy wallet. Spy wallet, I have combined some new feature, unique feature to make the safety from hacker, from adjusting phishing, etc. like that in our device. I have put some unique system to make them more secure. Spy DTP, you can do in the future, you can do in the lending, you can do in the funding, you can do in the and many developers will come into our DTP and doing a collaboration to make some unique DeFi, some unique stacking or farming or etc. Feature that can make other holders more profitable. This is called our DTP, and we will doing the big job on NFT too. NFT, we are doing the NFT signature, who can this NFT one picture, one NFT, one picture. So we don't have the second picture on our NFT signature. Everyone can buy our NFT signature and doing minting on our system, and they can stacking too on our NFT pools to get the power boosting. This is a very unique system in cryptosphere in NFTs. Why I said this is very unique, because our NFT pools is a contents of power stacking. If everyone just buy SPY, buy Toki, and doing the casting that, and they have a landing by our system, the power staking, so they can get more, power to staking and get more profitable on that. After that, we have the gaming token. We have the SPY first. I'm not talking about the SPY metaverse first. I'm talking about the game first, because metaverse is useless to talk now, because it is need more time. Maybe in 2 years or 3 years again we can talk about the metaverse. But now I become to the metaverse. I'm on building the ecosystem to the metaverse. I'm building the game first. After that, I'm building the metaverse. So I got many steps. Then become the metaverse. After metaverse, in this year, I hope you give me a best praying to our team or to our holders. SPY will become the blockchain mainnet this year. I think there's more. That's detail my explanation, Martin.
Yeah, that's cool. Frederick said something about gaming earlier. Can you tell us more about it? Because I'm a gamer and I'm definitely interested in that aspect. Can you tell us more about it?
Okay.
Yanko is making you just make confess more about next project.
Okay. I have a straight habit. I say that is my habit become the CEO of this project. Uh, Spy is starting 5 years, 6 years ago before I launched Spy 10 months ago. Uh, I I want to make sure but the project is well done first. After the project is well done, I'm launch the token. Unlike others project, they launch their token too, so that they're talking about the project. But in Spy and Toki, you will see that we talking about the project first. The project is well done. After that, we're talking about the launch of token. So the holders can more secure, safety, and more profitable. Something like that. Maybe our gaming token maybe can describe more by Frederick. This is a unique, very
Sure.
unique system. Okay, Frederick.
Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah, sure. Let me just tell you something, what Anton says. And you have definitely experience, the gaming projects. Usually they just create a website, and give you some kind of very nice graphic and things on the website. So that, yeah, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we're gonna, okay, buy our token, just we are gonna do. They just sell you the promises actually. But what Janssen has done so far, is really appreciable. It's not just because I'm the marketing and community manager, guys, because I'm a DeFi user and I know exactly what he is doing. He first makes the infrastructures for the projects, then launches the projects. He has always done that. And then for Spy, as I said, like 5 or 6 years, he has been working on it. And when the project was totally ready, he launched it. So the same is true for our gaming platform. He's trying just to make everything ready, and then he's going to launch it. And surely, when it is launched, then you would see that, it is like 80% there, 20% more to develop. So it's not like the project, as I said, they just start with a website and say, yeah, okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna. It's not like that. And I'm sure this project is going to be very promising, as Janssen is behind it.
Yeah, most definitely. I hope to get to be the first to play the game because I can say from what I'm seeing here, the graphics are really, really cool. It's a great one, guys. Trust me. And
Yeah,
thank you
No,
for
and
giving us
very
your
easy to
secrets.
play, Martin. Very easy.
I'm still not confident about the graphic. I'm order my team to make the more smooth, more beautiful, more great graphic and more feature in our game. I I give them the high demand of walking. I give them very high standard of this. And you will see in this month our pre-sale coming. Martin.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's all I can say. This is lovely. I would definitely love to be the, at least let me say, the first 5 people to play the game when it's out. It's really cool. So now let's talk about partnerships. Have you guys made any partnerships so far? And what other ones are you looking forward to?
Sure, I'll take this. Currently, Smart Pays Dev Team now are building partnership with various social media influencers and the significant people, just like more holders actually. But if you just never start thinking about a partnership in our project, it's like we have been listed on like 12 exchanges so far. So that's part of our partnership part. And 2 days later, if I'm right in the date, 2 days later, we are going to be listed on Mexi. So another great Mexi exchange, I mean, another great partnerships coming. And together with that, we try to make partnership with the top 20 BNB projects for now. And we are in negotiation with them. So we are going just to have these kind of partnerships in near future. And what is more important to us, is just being partnership just establishing partnership with the solid projects, not with every kind of project, because we have a lot of proposals, for a partnership with different DeFi projects, but we are now going to, we are going to be very very selective and very choosy. So surely, you are going to hear about us just more in near future. Right now, we have started a very extensive, extensive marketing, and massive marketing is going on right now. So in near future, we are going just to choose some DeFi project partners as well. And maybe, Janssen, you want to just reveal that too, because we are going to be a partner with one of the biggest um, investors in Japan and even in Indonesia. So, yep, but I'm not going to just disclose more information.
No problem, Frederick. You can tell them. We are the talking ways now with the biggest investor in Japan. You can tell them, Frederick. No problem.
Okay, no, just tell them actually, we are in negotiation with the biggest DeFi investors in Japan and in Indonesia after that, of course. So, yep, actually, we are looking for very big partnerships. For our partners, you can see in the screen right now. Thank you, Mimin. You can see the uh, the dexes that we have listed our token on. You can just see the list of them, and of course with two security company, so you can take rate. We are partner as well with them too. So that was all, Martin.
Awesome. I can see you guys already have a lot. Wow, wow. I'm impressed. You guys should come partner with me too.
I
Okay.
think it makes
Want to do the partnership with Spy? I'm very welcome that.
All right, all right, buddy. All right. So that takes us to the last question from this segment. Now, we all know security is very important for every project. So please tell us about the security state of SmartyPay. Give us everything we should know so that our members of the community can hear and they can be assured.
Sure. So, Martin, before telling you about our partners, for the security, now let me just give you a piece of advice, and as just an old user of DeFi, you and the listener actually, guys, the name of the companies, when they do the auditing on the contracts are not very important, guys. However, yeah, certain, is really well known, famous auditor in the world. Okay, everyone knows it. But guys, I give you this piece of advice, always read the reports of the audits, just not think that. We have been audited by Certic, but we are proud of our report. Just go and read the report on our project. So, yep, and a very very high security score they have given us, and that recently because of Luna crash, they have changed their system of scoring, so the project with like 95 score has gone down like to 60 score. So they have somehow kind of relaunched their scoring system. But you see that we have a very good score right now on static. Also, we didn't just go for setting. We have audited our contract with Tech Rate as well. So we have been audited with two very famous, well-known security companies in the world. But together with that, guys, the length of this project, and the backbone of this project is somehow, I think, more important even than those certificates. This project is backed by a real company which has been established like 6 years ago, and it is running. The CEO is doxed, so you know who he is exactly. You know the address and everything. So it means that a project with this kind of doxation actually it's not gonna ever be gone, and it's always here, and it has come to stay actually.
Okay, that's cool. Coming from your end. What about who else would like to talk?
I think I covered the whole. Yeah, you can go ahead. So,
All right then.
Martin, you're
That
going
will
to
be
ask.
yeah,
You're
that will
going
be
to
all
choose
from
the
my
speaker.
end
Yeah,
now.
go
So
ahead. Go ahead.
want to
Sir, yeah.
move. Okay. You have something to say before we proceed?
No. Go ahead.
All right, all right. So that will be all from my segments here. We're now moving to the most anticipated segment. That is the second segment, where we'll be unmuting the live members of the community who have questions to ask related to the project. So I'm sure you guys are ready and excited. So shall we proceed, guys?
Yes, sure, definitely.
All
Go
right,
ahead,
then.
please.
So I'll be unmuting the first member of the community to ask a question. Guys, raise your hands. Just give me a moment to check through. Okay. I can see a Mima. You are allowed to speak. Please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello, good day. Thank you very much for unmuting me. So my question is, I read about your referral program. So I'd like to know, what am I getting if I refer family and friends to buy the SPY token?
Hi, thank you. That was a nice question, actually. We left it to audience to ask, actually, I know the question. Yep, we have a referral system. If you just give your referral link to a person and joins SPY, then he buys some SPY and stakes it in the pool. Whenever he's going to harvest his reward, you are going to receive 5% of that. So yeah, 5% commission is for the referral system. So you can enjoy that as well. It's like very, very passive income.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much then.
You're welcome.
Can I add something for the referral program?
Yes, please go on. We are here for you.
Yeah. Frederick already explained about the 5% for the referral, SmartyPay referral program. And as you can see in the share screen, there are three column. Yeah, you can monitor your referral commission for per today, weekly, and monthly. Yeah. So whenever you connect your wallet, then you go directly to the SPY token website. You can check your earn from the commission referral, yeah, through this dashboard. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that, of course. Yes,
Awesome.
Anthony, go ahead.
Thank you for your question. All right. So the next person I'll be picking. Let me scroll through. Give me a moment. Okay. Carl Johnson.
Maybe Mama Crypto want to make some question. Mama Crypto, please welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hi, go ahead, please.
Sir, am I audible?
I hear you, Carl. Go ahead.
All right. So, sir, I go to your white paper, sir. The white paper say SPY is a utility token from Indonesia. So, sir, this make me ask, sir, is SPY token a local project only for Indonesia? can we from other part of the world can we access the spy token, sir?
And
Yeah,
and which part of the world are you come from, Mr. Johnson?
it's from India. I can hear by the accent if I'm right. All right, buddy.
Yeah.
Carl.
In India, sir.
Okay, sure. So yeah, I got it. Carl, actually, yeah, this project has started from Indonesia and it has been kind of accessible to them first, but it wasn't. It doesn't mean that, it is DeFi. So DeFi means accessible from all over the world. Just get into one of these exchanges that we're listed on, say, by its like. Yeah, it has initially been from Indonesia, but now it is global. We have a lot of users from different parts of the world in different regions, various regions. Europe, Africa, America, from different parts of the world. We have users, and soon we are going to actually to start the local communities for all these countries as well. We have started for some, but we are going to develop it more and more. So yeah, you can just use the Dexes, and you can even use our website easily. Just you need to have some stable coins, and yeah, you are there.
Okay, sir. So sir, you have headquarters in Indonesia.
Sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Actually, it was just on the fast speed somehow.
The headquarters, sir. Sir, you have headquarters in
Yes,
Indonesia, just like you
yeah,
said,
and
sir.
as I said, this is backed by a real company out there. There is an address on that, and our CEO is doxed, so everybody knows who the CEO is and what is the company in Indonesia. Yep.
As you can visit our website and you will find the address, yeah, of the SmartyPay headquarters below on the bottom of the website.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
thank you.
I check.
I'm not hearing you. If you please,
Okay.
just make your
Yeah.
number question to one. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your question, buddy. So next I will be unmuting. Guys, just a minute. Let me see. Um, okay, Mastermind, you are muted. Please ask your question.
Hello, guys. Hope you guys are
Hello.
fine.
Sure. Go ahead,
Hello.
please. We're hearing you.
Hello.
Okay. Hello. Go ahead,
I
please.
see that to integrate NFTs into the project or have already done. So, so what will be NFTs be like on Smarty Spies? What unique things will you be able to do with it?
Okay. We actually answered this question, during the AMA, but I recap it very fast. So, yeah, of course, we have implemented NFT. We have NFT cards. Now we have 6 NFT cards. You can just cast them using Spy. Then you can either um, stake them in the NFT pool and use the high APY of like 650% APY and use the rewards. Or you can just put it in the marketplace. We have an NFT marketplace there, so you can sell your NFT cards. And don't forget, guys, that NFTs are just giving you high power mining efficiency. So, for example, if you buy an NFT card with like $1,000, then it can just be boosted to like 1,200 to $2,000, and then you can use it for staking and just using just enjoy the reward that you receive from the high APY there. That was all, Martin. You can go for next question, please.
Okay, thank you, Mastermind, for your question. So
Martin, I have some question from one
there
of
are a
the
lot of hands here.
influencer
I'm
community.
just trying to take my time to check through.
He's Mama Crypto. Maybe he is in
Guys, just a
our.
minute. Raise your hands, do. Okay,
Okay.
Oblix. I think I have been seeing you here for a while. Please, you can now
Martin,
speak. Go ahead and ask your question.
Martin. I have a question from our influencer, one of the influencer crypto in Indonesia, Mama Crypto. Want to ask you, why are your participant, your audience is very small in here? Your subscribers is 100,000. Maybe you can add some other audience here, and some so much of people can come in and hear about this spectacular project. Martin.
Hello.
Itu Mama itu belum angkat tangan tuh.
We didn't really
Hello.
get that. Can you come again?
Okay. Just continue for the next question.
Okay, Oblix. I have unmuted you. Please go ahead and ask your question.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Loud and clear.
Yeah, go ahead,
Okay,
please.
so
Oblix.
when I was going through your website, I saw something about an offline online feature. So I'm asking, how do you plan to combine harmony between an offline online B2B B2C for transactions, and also would SPY token be the only method of payment on your platform?
So I think that
Our customer, yeah, because we are an e-commerce company. So many members of the e-commerce can use the Smarty apps, yeah, the point of sales system. They can open their store or their shop online, both online and offline. Yeah, for each transaction they made, this is for sellers and buyers. They will get a point reward. Yeah, our idea is how to convert the point reward from the fiat to crypto and vice versa. So this is what makes Smarty Pay become interesting for holders. Yeah, we want to create an ecosystem that can convert and synchronize between the fiat and crypto gateway through the e-commerce platform. I hope I answer your question.
Yes, you have. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, I can add some information. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, before I launched Smarty Pay token, I've launched first our application, our company, to become the backers of Smarty Pay. We are the e-commerce company. So from the first time, our e-commerce company is working to my blockchain system, called name Nanometrics Automatic Placement. And this blockchain system is working in our back end of our our application to doing so much more work, like to doing the transaction, to doing to doing the management of people, management of product, and of warehouse, or anything from the first mile until the last mile will be doing on this blockchain. And after the blockchain is doing their job, they will be creating the block hash. So the block hash is will appear up in real time, uh, uh, and this is very unique, very unique blockchain I have created. It's about 5 years, and he will this blockchain called Nemo. It will give you the block hash to doing the transaction and give the benefit for the buyers and sellers. So the buyers and the sellers will get the benefit. And on this month, we have finished the final testing of the wallet converter. So the block hash can convert it to our spy and Toki in the future, in this next month. I tell you guys, and after that you can convert it, and then you can buy, you can sell or trading, or you can holding, and you can put in our device again, and to do it more profitable to use to you. And in the near future, I will complete it to upgrade my system, my application to globally, and the system can use in every country that can allow us to doing the buying or the selling in crypto. And I will combine the system in this 2 or 3 months again, and we will be doing the testing and put so much logistic in globally, PPOB, payment point, online bank, POS, and so much unique feature that you can enjoy that. Okay. Maybe that's some information I can add for the explanation from Mimin. Obliques, do you understand?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
thank you for your question. Thank you very much. So guys, I don't know, would you like to do the honors? I think you should pick the last person. Who would you like me to unmute? There are a lot of hands here actually, and I don't want anybody coming into my DMs asking me to unmute them. So
Martin,
would you be?
sorry. Martin, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, buddy.
Yeah, yeah, because there are too many questions. I know. I give this opportunity to the members here to join our Telegram chats, and then ask the questions there. And after this AMA, after this call is over, for 1 hour I wait, and I will pick up 5 new joiners, and I'm going to give them some spy reward. So they can just join there, and they can ask their questions if they don't have time, here to ask. Now we
Yeah,
can just
most
pick up the last
importantly,
question.
yeah, that's cool. I've even dropped the information in the chat. So guys, I have dropped that about 20 minutes ago. Make sure to join the Telegram group for you to be eligible to receive the rewards, and also so that you can get the most important and latest and exclusive updates, and also some secrets, because we got some secrets today from Mr. Yanton. So there's a lot for you guys. Do well to join their Telegram channel now. Do I have dropped that information before? So guys, who would you want me to unmute as the last person will be taken for today? There are a lot of hands here, so you can just go through and select someone.
And I don't, and I don't, and I don't, and I don't give it up without a fight. What I feel, I always right. Let us
Okay, because yeah, your video voice is playing over here.
Yeah, I can see that. It's cool. So who should we take as the last person? Who would you want me to unmute? Just check through.
Blian, you want to give me give some question for us?
All right, then. Don't bother then. I think I would just go through and unmute someone randomly.
Or maybe Ryan, the boss, or who want to give some difficult question for us.
All right, just a minute. Okay. I'll pick wow, sorry guys. I'm really finding a hard time to pick someone. Okay, I'll pick Tim Cloud. You are allowed to speak. Please unmute your device and ask your question.
Hello, guys.
Hey, guy, go ahead, please.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. I was listening to your the your the explanation about your project, and something caught my attention about your roadmap. You spoke about the NFT marketplace, about BNB and USDT on staking, which are the features, and you want to start working on your launch pad. You also mentioned a utility token. You mentioned it earlier. I don't think I heard it quite well. So what I don't really know what it is. What I want to ask is, can you tell me what that is? Because you mentioned your utility token earlier.
Okay, when we say utility token, it means that the token is going to have some use cases, okay? And we have developed so far different features as a use cases for our token. So, NFT cards, as you said, are one of the utility for our token. We have developed farms, pools like the traditional ones. You make LP and then you stake them, then you use the profit. And we have developed a more advanced feature of them, vaults, which are auto compounding, which are holding auto compounding feature. You can use your stable coins easily and stake them there. The vault is going to recompound all the benefits back to the pool and just increase your investment day by day. And as well as another utility for our token is our governance platform. You can use Spy when you want to vote for the proposals that are going to be implemented and are being implemented in our platform. So different use cases so far, and we are going to have more use cases and utilities in the future. Actually, I hope you have answered the question.
Yeah, sure. Can I ask another question because I have a little bit of curiosity about something here.
So if you make it short, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, surely I will. Um, you spoke you spoke about the fact that mainly the developers will come into this project to make the holders more profitable. This question is majorly about I'm interested in learning more about your key investors and well-known partners. So I know that you have spoken about that earlier, um, but I want to know because you spoke about the fact that many developers will come into the project to make the holders more profitable, and about the one NFT and one picture. Can you expatiate on that? Why do you adopt that strategy?
Sure. About the investors, we cannot just tell more information about them, because just we can tell you that big investors come. But for the developer team, yep, we are recruiting a more developer because we are going to be somehow a very big ecosystem. It's not just a token and it's not just farming. We're going to develop the platform, the gaming platform next. So we need more and more developers, but the qualified and senior developers, you are like qualified for the job. We are bringing them. So as for that, I think it could answer your question. But actually, about what was the second question? The second part of the question? I just slipped my mind. Tim, what was the second part of the question?
Tim, are you there?
He's not.
Yeah,
Do you remember what was his?
yeah. I was having a little bit of a network breakdown. The second part of
Okay.
my question, I said that you mentioned about the one NFT and one picture. Can you extricate
Okay,
the
yeah,
two?
yeah, yeah. Actually,
Okay.
guys, if you just read, yeah, I remember. If you read the nature of NFT, has always NFT should be unique to one person. So it means that when you cast NFT, it's gonna be just casted once. It cannot be casted twice in the same. So the unique feature, the signature that's Yanton has explained earlier about that, is like one picture which is signed by you, is going to always be yours. So it means that your signature is there. So no one else can just copy it and just not pick it. So your signature is always there. I think it is what I just can recall from Yanton speak. So maybe Yanton is has something to add to it. No, he doesn't actually. So, yeah, that was the end of the question actually.
I think there's not.
Okay.
And I will allow you to welcome you to guys to our group, and you can ask anything to Frederick, to me, or to Mimin or Tommy, our admin, and they will give you the clear answer about your question. Okay, thank you, Martin, for having us here. You are good, the good mood.
Thank you, buddy. So, Frederick, you have something to say before we officially wrap up this segment?
So first, I want to thank you and your lovely community. It was really an energetic community. I really enjoyed that. And it's a set of questions and challenging questions have been asked. But we are happy that we could have answered all these questions actually, but unfortunately we couldn't. We are going just wait for these lovely users to join our Telegram group and ask the questions there. Just what one I just tell you guys, is about our next move, which is a very massive marketing coming. Together with that, we are going to be listed 2 days later, and it is like the day after tomorrow. We are going to be listed on Maxi, and it's a very well known exchange, nowadays, and it is most welcome with a lot of traders. So I suggest you just to join the project as well as but before that do your study and about our project and just read all the information that you need and then join our lovely community, and thank you again for hosting this call.
Thank you very much once again for coming to our community, to the moon with Smarty Pay, and we wish you all the very best, guys. All the very best. You are doing a very wonderful and excellent job. Thank you once more for coming into the community. So at this point, I will stop the recording. All right, the recording has been stopped. So